have some great memories from my 6 years here at Forestville Road Elementary School. I will always remember snazzy snacks with Mr. Strickland, passing Dave the Minion around with Miss Rhodes, cahoots with Miss Lethabarrow, and science experiments with Miss Phillips. While here at Fres, we have changed our mindset and learned the power of yet. The power of yet is when we change our way of thinking from I can't do something to I can't do it yet, but I'll keep trying until I'm successful. We know how to persevere and never give up. We have learned the 4 C's of communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking in our learning in our daily lives. I want to say thank you to my family who has been cheering me on from the start. We have all had our families to support us and help us do our best. We have made lasting friendships that will continue as we go to middle school and high school. Overall, I am grateful for my family, my teachers, and my friends who have all been a part of my elementary school journey. I want my classmates to always remember 2 things. Number 1, to always try your best in everything that you do, and number 2, always be kind to others. These 2 things, along with what we have learned at Forestville, will make it possible for us to accomplish anything we set our minds to. Congratulations to my classmates, the future class of 2024. Thank you.